What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's the Tech Expert, and today we're going to be going over the Rode VideoMic GO II. Now, this is a on-camera shotgun microphone, and I got this because I wanted to upgrade. So I was on the hunt for a compact, budget-friendly mic for my phone that wouldn't break the bank, but still delivered great audio quality. So I stumbled across this microphone, and it came with a lot of features. Not only did it come with a lot of features, but most importantly, I didn't want to break the bank. I didn't want to pay too much, and this came out to be $99. It has a ultra compact design, a helix isolation mount, and no batteries. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I bought it off Amazon for $99. So let's see how I can unbox. Well, we can cut open the bottom here. Yeah, so I just really wanted a much better mic than what I have now. Not that what I have now is terrible. It's just that your phone mic can only go so far. So let's unbox this really quick. So it comes with a couple things. Of course, it doesn't come with the USB-C, I believe, but we'll see. Let's see what we get in here. So we got the mic itself with the windshield. Cool. And that's that. And then down here, we got a manual and dry packet. I think that's it. So it doesn't really come with too much, as it says, small but mighty. All right, so yep, we got a couple manuals, drying packet. Comes with a 3.5 millimeter TRS connection, and we have the mic itself. Now it comes with a windshield. Comes with the helix mount, isolation mount, and the cable you just saw. So I can just use any USB-C to USB-C or any other USB to connect to whatever device, whether it's your computer or your phone or your camera. So I'm gonna keep that aside for now. So let's have a physical tour. So let me take this off. It comes with a all metal body, and it's very light. It comes with a really nice feeling foamed wind protection to ensure that the sound quality is at its best no matter the condition. Then we have the mount down here. So this should work with both tripods, phones, cameras. It has a universal mount for all of those. And then it has integrated cable management. So you could run your cables properly through the side, through the helix mount. You could probably wrap it around if it's too long. So yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and just do a couple mic tests. And first with the phone, then we'll test it with the Rode unmodified and then modified, and we'll see which one sounds the best. So this is just a phone test of my phone's microphone, S24FE. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and mount this on my phone, and we'll see how it sounds then. All right, so this is what it sounds like with the microphone. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. And then we're gonna do another one right now with modified audio. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I just listened to the audio earlier, and it sounded pretty good. Of course, it was not, processed yet. This half of the video will be with the microphone, And you can kind of tell from the beginning half till now how well the quality of the sound is. And if there are any major changes, that was worth this $100 mic. Let me know in the comments what you would plan to use this mic for, whether it's vlogging, reviews like I am, or you're just a person that likes to be outdoor and use it for, your phone during different conditions. Let me know in the comments below if it sounds any better, or would you just stick with your phone quality? I'll see you guys next time. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and like the video. It really supports me. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.